console controllers tend to be way better than their PC counterparts. But the good thing is you can always use them with PCs to offset the difference. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can connect your Xbox One controllers to your PC. So you want to connect your Xbox controller to your Windows PC. The process is actually quite easy. As you can see, I have an Xbox controller right here, and on the back you can see there is a pairing button. All you have to do is hold this pairing button with the controller turned off. Make sure there are batteries in it. Hold this pairing button right here. Keep holding it until the Xbox light starts flashing. And now on my PC, you should see a notification pop up right here. I don't, because this controller is already paired to my keyboard or my laptop. But if I go to Windows settings and then I can head over to Bluetooth and devices right here, and it shows already connected, but for the sake of this video let me just remove this device. And as you can see, I already have the controller appearing right here, so I can just click connect, and that's it. My controller is connected. As you can see, the light has stopped flashing and I can get a connection. So this is how easy it is to pair Xbox One controllers with Windows 11. But if you don't see this, what you can do as well is you can click on this add device button, select Bluetooth right here. So you can either try this or try everything else, which is Xbox controllers with wireless adapter, DLNA and other devices. What we're going to do is we're going to just use Bluetooth because we don't have a wireless adapter for this Xbox controller. Click on Bluetooth. This will already search for and find any controllers in the vicinity. As you can see, this one is already paired, so it's not going to show up here. But you can find a device, click on it, and then add it from here as well. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if these videos helped you or if you'd like to talk about anything else that's related to tech. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.